Welcome to this extraordinary expedition into the realms of hidden knowledge, where we will unlock the secrets that lie behind closed doors, explore the ancient traditions of secret societies, and discover the transformative power that can shake the very foundations of your reality. I am thrilled to guide you through this journey of self-discovery, where we will delve into the mysteries of the universe and uncover the wisdom that has the potential to reshape your life. Let's embark on an intriguing exploration into the enigmatic world of secret societies, with a particular focus on one of the most well-known, the Freemasons. Renowned for their all-seeing eyes and intricate handshakes, the Freemasons have long captured the imagination of those intrigued by the clandestine. But beneath the surface, hidden within their ranks, exists the inner sanctum, the 33rd degree Masons. This exclusive circle safeguards the most sacred teachings and rituals, revealing them only to those deemed worthy. Today, our guide through this labyrinth is none other than Manly Palmer Hall, a luminary, a philosopher, and a 33rd degree Freemason. As we navigate the vast expanse of Hall's writings, a profound concept emerges: magnetism. Hall takes us on a journey into the ancient past, where priests and magicians harnessed the power of magnetism through specialized tools, occult symbolism, and mysterious rituals. The 33rd degree Freemasons believed in a cosmic web connecting all matter and beings across the universe, with the very air carrying the magnetism of the sun. Hall posited that our thoughts, emotions, and actions shape our personal magnetic field, influencing our external reality. This revelation leads us to a fundamental understanding: the construction of our internal world, shaped by our thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes, serves as the architect of our external reality. How we construct this internal realm determines the circumstances we attract into our lives. As we decipher Hall's wisdom, we uncover the secrets of reality creation, unveiling the power we hold within to shape our destinies. To fully grasp Hall's concept of magnetism, we must comprehend the role of attention. Similar to a magnet's attractive qualities, our internal world is profoundly influenced by the attention we bestow upon it. Positive attention begets positive outcomes, while negative attention draws undesirable circumstances. The crucial shift lies in consciously directing positive attention to manifest positive circumstances in our lives. It is here that we begin to unravel the intricate relationship between our thoughts, emotions, and the reality we experience. Venturing further into the realm of manifestation, we encounter a potent tool: visualization. This transformative practice involves creating a vivid mental picture of our desired scene, coupled with the intense emotions associated with it. Visionaries such as Elon Musk and Neville Goddard emphasize the transformative power of visualization, showcasing its ability to shape the trajectory of our lives. In the expansive landscape of visualization, we encounter two distinct facets: goal visualization and process visualization. Goal visualization focuses on the ultimate destination, while process visualization involves the daily steps leading to the goal. Both facets play integral roles in the journey towards success, offering unique insights into the dynamics of manifesting our aspirations. For those seeking to elevate their visualization skills, consider the creation of a one-page vision board, a collage representing your ideal life. Immerse yourself in the images, holding them in your mind's eye and experiencing the associated emotions. Additionally, practice the ball of light exercise to refine and elevate your visualization prowess, establishing a deeper connection between your internal world and the manifestations you seek. The ball of light exercise stands as a profound practice. Envision your visualizations accumulating into a radiant ball of light within your mind. Then, with a sharp exhale, send this luminous orb out to the universe. This exercise beautifully combines effort and surrender, allowing the universe to align the perfect circumstances for your goals. As we delve deeper into this practice, we uncover the intricate dance between our intentions and the cosmic forces at play. As we traverse the expansive terrain of self-discovery, we encounter the powerful concept of identity shifting, a tool to align our internal world with our desired reality. Becoming the person we aspire to be and maintaining that identity becomes the catalyst for attracting abundance in health, wealth, and relationships. In this section, we will explore the nuances of identity shifting, delving into the profound impact it can have on our journey of transformation. Always remember, the core mission is to embody the version of ourselves that effortlessly attracts abundance. The being state precedes the doing and having. By immersing ourselves in the identity of our desired self, we set in motion a powerful force that propels us towards our goals. The key lies in understanding that our actions and possessions are mere reflections of our internal state, emphasizing the importance of cultivating a harmonious internal world. For those eager to explore identity shifting in depth, I've crafted a comprehensive video that delves into the process. This video includes a programming document, a treasure trove of insights that has proven invaluable to many on their transformative journeys. Click right here to access it for free. Trust me, this is my life's work, and I'm excited to share it with you. This exclusive content provides a deeper understanding of identity shifting, offering practical tools to integrate this powerful concept into your daily life. As we traverse this expansive terrain of self-discovery, let me share additional insights and techniques that can further enrich your transformative journey. These practices, honed through years of experience and wisdom, have the potential to amplify the positive changes you seek. From daily rituals to mindset shifts, these strategies will serve as valuable companions on your path to self-mastery. Recently, I came across a quote by Naval Ravikant that resonated with me: "The older the problem, the older the solution." Over the past 8 years, I've been on a personal development journey aiming to transition from my corporate career to manifesting time and financial freedom. My specific goal was to generate $20,000 a month while living the laptop lifestyle. In pursuit of this goal, I tried various approaches, including dropshipping, trading, affiliate marketing, and taking massive action daily. However, nothing felt quite right. It dawned on me that perhaps the right opportunity eluded me because I wasn't aligned correctly. I needed to change something within myself. I delved into mindset work, experimented with lengthy morning routines, meditation, affirmations, and even hypnosis. Despite these efforts, I couldn't shake the feeling that internal obstacles were hindering my progress. It became apparent that I needed to reprogram my mind to embrace an entrepreneurial mindset. In my quest for a timeless solution to the age-old problem of the mind, I explored teachings from ancient cultures. To my surprise, various traditions, including Taoism, Hermeticism, and Kabbalah, emphasized the power of visualization. This revelation marked a turning point for me. As I honed my visualization skills, my dreams began materializing. I left my corporate job, started a business I'm passionate about, and grew it to 7 figures annually. The key to this transformation was mastering visualization. Today, I want to share with you a practical guide on how to visualize effectively and create your personalized visualization system. This system comprises 3 main parts, and by the end of this video, I'll provide a free downloadable cheat sheet to help you implement these techniques. Let's start by understanding visualization and its crucial role in propelling you towards your goals. Drawing insights from Hermetic teachings, we learn that As within, so without. This ancient wisdom suggests that our thoughts and feelings shape our external reality. Visualization allows us to attune ourselves to a specific sector of the all space, influencing our manifested reality. While outer action involves physical efforts to manipulate reality, interaction is an internal act driven by feelings and intentions. By mastering visualization, you gain the ability to influence future outcomes and navigate upcoming events. But how do you effectively visualize and bring your goals to life? The first method involves visualizing the reality you want to create. Rather than dwelling on past mistakes or current challenges, focus on projecting the ideal scene for your future. This process encompasses goal visualization and process visualization. Goal visualization entails envisioning the future outcome you want to manifest, while process visualization involves visualizing the dynamic steps you'll take to reach that goal. The second method centers on intention. Cultivate a firm intention, a resolute decision to have and to act. Inner intention reflects your personal resolve, while outer intention aligns you with the universe, co-creating your reality. Combining inner and outer intention allows you to transcend mere action and tap into a higher force that guides you towards your goal. Now, to complete this trifecta of visualizing reality, consider the third method, visualizing your ideal self. Identify the version of yourself that effortlessly achieves your goals. Through inquiry, define 5 superpowers, 5 key habits, and a sense of style for this ideal self. This exercise forms the foundation for embodying your ideal self. Embodiment, the final part of this process, requires you to function as your ideal self in the present moment. When conducting tasks, ask yourself how your ideal self would approach them. When faced with decisions, consider what choice aligns with the actions of your ideal self. Finally, embrace the practice of method acting. Pretend to be your ideal self until you become that person. Remember, who you pretend to be is who you'll become. By holding the image of your goal in your mind and consistently embodying your ideal self, you pave the way for transformation. I hope you find value in this guide, and I look forward to seeing your transformative journey unfold. As we wrap up this enlightening exploration, I encourage you to reflect on the insights shared, integrating them into your daily practices. Hit the like button if you found value in this exploration, share this video with kindred spirits on their journey, and subscribe for more profound insights. Always remember, the extraordinary power to shape your reality resides within you. Until our next transformative rendezvous, wishing you boundless success and joy on your remarkable journey of self-discovery. See you in the next episode.